chain hang low, cause my ice full of water. I walk with a water. I walk with a water. Got a whole lot of swagger. I'm a young gun.
I'm so pissed off. I'm so pissed off.
What happened, baby?
This motherfucking bitch, this white bitch, and come there and pop my fucking ass up. Like, cut her ass up and right in front of her. Bad on that shit. Don't fuck with me.
I walk around with 20 grand in the Gucci bag. All my niggas cheap. That was a hell of a bag.
My God.
By the 33. I've been getting rich. I heard you niggas mad. I heard you niggas
You gonna be so fucked like your camera ass is fucking. I know, right? My camera's floating like,
Fuck. It's back there now.
walk with a water. My chain hang low, cause my ice full of water. My chain hang low, cause my ice full of water.
See that there? That's just like the beginning. I got more to go, baby. More to see. I walk with a bottle. I walk with a bottle. We on our way to the loop to meet some people, but while we down there waiting on them, we gonna go to Chipotle and we gonna eat some big ass burritos. Some huge ass burritos, and because I got drunk last night. Oh my boy!
She went to sleep.
I was so drunk. I wasn't even horny. I was so fucking drunk. I went to sleep. I was just knocking fuck out, slobbing and everything. I slept in a bed with Nicole's ex-boyfriend brother, but nothing happened because I was too drunk to have sex. And he had a girlfriend. He was telling me about his girlfriend. I was like, dude, I'm gay, so I don't even care. Are you gay? Here's the thing. Alright, I'm finna school these people. Alright, so here's the thing, yo. Get it. I never really considered myself a lesbian. I just said I was because at that moment for the past 3 years, I've been dating girls. But honestly, the girls I've been dating for the past 2 years, I clearly felt comfortable with them or being around them. So, you know, I wanted to give them a shot. But if a dude come up, god damn, this song's skipping. If a dude come along, and I think I feel comfortable with him, I might give him a try. Cause, you know, I don't know, y'all gonna be like, oh, she a bisexual, she a dick dyke, whatever. No. Because I don't date a girl and go back and date a guy at the same time. I don't say, oh, well, I'm a bisexual, let's have a fucking threesome. I don't do that shit because honestly, I think threesomes are fucking disgusting. Unless, well, I don't know who the thing is though. I don't like penile penetration. I don't like the penis entering my vaginal area. So, I don't know I don't know what to call me. But I like dudes, like I talk to dudes. I kiss a dude. I tongue kiss a dude.
Okay, why are you getting off it?
Olive, so you have to get in your right lane.
Now she tells me.
I mean, it says Olive. Oh, no, you know what? No, you can get off on Delmar. I'm so sorry. You can go straight. We're really going to the loop, so get off on Delmar. But, right, you know, so, it's like, I can't, I'll never suck a dick. I can't fuck a dick. I mean, Candace, this girl stabbed me one time, and I liked it, but afterwards I was just like, ugh. I had a plastic dick in my, you know? I had a plastic penis in my vagina, and that's how, and I was just like, look, I did it because she got it for Valentine's Day, and, you know, she probably showing it off on her other hoes now, but, and I'm just like, I just don't like the penis being in my vagina. I like getting fingers with fingers and popsicles, because it's happened before. I'm not gonna, I fucked myself with what do you call it? No, whoa, no. No, that was my friend Ashley that did that shit. No, I fucked myself with a popsicle stick. That shit was good. I mean, fuck. And then I took off the part that I fucked myself with, threw it away, and I ate the rest of it. But yeah, so it's like I'm comfortable with my sexuality. Left. I'm comfortable with my sexuality. I'm comfortable with the people I'm dating. I don't care who people see me with. Like, and it's not like you're gonna see me one day with a girl, one day kissing on a girl, and another day kissing on a guy. No, you're gonna see me like 1 month, 1 or 2 months in a row kissing on a dude. Oh my God!
What's wrong with you?
You and your goddamn turn. It's okay.
I was in the wrong lane. We go back on the highway.
You're gonna see me like 2 months or 2 or 3 months kissing on a dude. You're gonna see me 2 or 3 or 4 or 6 months single by myself, but hanging with my friends. And then you're gonna see me like 2 months kissing on a female. Cause I just can't break up with somebody. If I'm gonna do this, I don't get in this lane cause this is gonna take too long. If I'm gonna do this, I just can't break up with a dude and go straight to a girl, you know. Cause that's a bisexual, you know. I can't do that. So I just gotta.
I can.
So I just gotta take my time, you know. After I do it, I'm like, okay, well, you know, when I'm single, I honestly don't look for anybody. Like, honestly, they just come to me.
I keep it straight, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
They come to me, and you know, that's how it happens.
This is your hood, so. Fuck you, city.
Fuck you, city. Fuck you, city.
This our
fuck
hood.
St. Louis.
This our hood. This our
fuck
hood.
Missouri. I'm not saying fuck St. Louis, but fuck Missouri on the account of that Missouri is fucking racially, economically divided, and it's bullshit. And y'all may say, oh no, it's not your bitch. Yes, the fuck it is. Cause now look how the buses are running. Because no white people wanted black people to come out to Chesterfield or Jamestown finna close anyway, so that don't count. Go out to Chesterfield or possibly West County. So look how the buses are now. The 91 don't go to Chesterfield no more. So all the black people that gotta catch a bus, all the black people that gotta catch a bus and gotta go to fucking Chesterfield, nah, he ugly. And he has to go to Chesterfield, they now gotta quit their jobs because fucking white. Because you know what? People, it's funny.
Fucking up?
It's funny how people want the little lost limit thing. How people just want to fucking go to the casino and spend money. Then get a fucking attitude with me, or I'm the fucking cashier. Get a fucking attitude with me because I'm not kind enough to give them no goddamn free fries. Fuck nah. If you got money to fucking buy 2 fucking cheeseburgers and a goddamn onion ring or whatever the fuck we got, what we got? Fingers, chicken fingers. The bitch, you can add on some fries. If you can't, take one of the fucking cheeseburgers off, okay? Don't get a fucking attitude with me because I can't give you no motherfucking free fries. I like my motherfucking job to an extent. I don't know you. I don't like you, so fuck you, okay?
Amen to that, sister. Nothing in this life is free no more but the dick.
You gotta start paying for dick too.
You ain't lying. We already doing that already.
Hold on, we ain't doing that already.
I know some people that are doing that.
Some people are doing that. That's not me, and I hope it's not you.
Never that.
Okay, good.
Never that. Did you call me back?
Because we don't pay for pussy or dick, man. We get that shit.
You ain't lying.
Our Dougie. I'm just joking. But yeah, so let me tell you about this, Joy. Okay, this is how stupid people are. This bitch asked me, cause the menu at my job, the menu is it's a big ass. You can't fucking miss the menu. This lady's like, oh, the fish and chips, are those fries? Yeah. Well, does the fish sandwich come with fries? No, for the fish sandwich, fries are $2 extra. This bitch gonna ask me, but what do I do if I want some fries? I said, with what? She said, no, you can't do it too. I said, with what? She said, with my fish sandwich, I want fries. What do I do? I said, ma'am, you buy fries. Well, I didn't say ma'am. I'm going to be honest. I said, then you buy fries. Just like that. This bitch looked at me like I insulted her fucking intelligence.
Hey, boy.
I was like, hold on, bitch. She looked at me. She was like, I'll come back. I was like, okay. And that bitch ain't come back. I didn't give a fuck. That was a dumbass motherfucking question. Now, see, I don't know. I'm jumping off subject. But there's some people who be like, I'm going to come back because, you know, I don't have enough credits. I ain't got enough. People who like that and they say they're going to come back, you know, I don't like. You know, but if you ain't got enough money on your card to get some fucking fries and I'm not going to give them to you for free, bitch, fuck you. Don't come back ever fucking again with your fat, obese, greasy ass, okay? But it's all good. And then the old men be trying to talk to me. I'm like, ugh. Sometimes I just say I'm gay just because it sometimes stops them from talking to me. Like, hey, mama, I'm gay, boo.
It's okay. This
No,
old man
thank
trying to
you.
talk to me today.
This woman?
This old man.
I was like, was she cute? I have a crush on my English teacher. I have a crush on so many people. It's ridiculous. Okay, I'm finna cut this off, though, because we finna be in a loop. We're gonna start recording again when we're in a loop. And we're gonna call it a motherfucking day. Bye-bye.
Just
spank that F. Spank that F. Spank that F.
my baby
Spank that.
home.